Okay, do you know Vincent van Gogh? Vincent van Gogh was much more than just a painter. Van Gogh was a prolific writer. He often used his letters to family and friends as a way to express his innermost thoughts and feelings. In fact, his letters have become just as famous as his paintings. In this video, I will explain Vincent van Gogh's 11 most inspiring quotes. Some of Vincent van Gogh's words of wisdom and delve into the lessons we can learn from this incredible artist. Number 1. I am seeking, I am striving, I am in it with all my heart. This quote reflects Vincent's unwavering dedication to his art. He was always striving to improve his skills and create art that was truly meaningful. Number 2. What would life be if we had no courage to attempt anything? This quote means Vincent always believed that taking risks and attempting new things was essential to a fulfilling life, and so he saw the value in stepping out of one's comfort zone and pursuing dreams, even tough they seemed difficult or impossible. Number 3. I dream my painting and I paint my dream. This quote captures the essence of his approach to art. For Van Gogh, the painting was not just about creating a visual representation of something, but rather about expressing the emotions and impressions that he experienced in his dreams and imagination. Number 4. I would rather die of passion than of boredom. This statement speaks to his deep belief in the importance of following one's passions, even if it means taking risks or facing challenges. He lived a life of passion and intensity, driven by a desire to create and express himself through his art. Number 5. I often think that the night is more alive and more richly colored than the day. Van Gogh also had a deep appreciation for the mysteries and beauty of the night, as seen in this quote of his, to find beauty and inspiration in unexpected places and to see the world in a unique and nuanced way. Number 6. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Van Gogh believed that nature was a constant source of wonder and inspiration, and likewise, by paying attention to the natural world around us, we can discover beauty in even the most unexpected places. Number 7. Art is to console those who are broken by life. Van Gogh believed that art had the power to heal and console, as seen in this quote. He saw art as a way to connect with the human experience, to offer comfort and solace in times of difficulty and pain. Number 8. I put my heart and my soul into my work and have lost my mind in the process. This quote is a reflection of Vincent's intense commitment to his art. He was known for working tirelessly on his paintings, often to the point of exhaustion. Number 9. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Vincent understood the importance of persistence and hard work. He knew that great achievements in life were often the result of many small steps taken over time, rather than one big leap. Number 10. There is no blue without yellow and without orange. This quote shows Vincent's understanding of color theory and the way that different hues can interact with one another. He subsequently believed that each color had a unique role to play in creating a beautiful painting. Number 11. Lastly, my favorite and most inspiring quote is, I don't know anything with certainty, but seeing the stars makes me dream. Here are 11 quotes from Vincent van Gogh that artists should be inspired. Vincent van Gogh was much more than just a painter. He was also a philosopher, a visionary who saw the world in a unique way and left us with some of the most inspiring quotes about life and art. I believe these quotes will be helpful for you. If you want to watch more art knowledge videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.